5 minus 2 bracket 5 minus 2 times 2 is equal what? Here 5 minus 2 gives us 3 times 5 minus 2 gives us 3 times this 2. Here 3 times 3 gives us 9 times this 2. 9 times 2 gives us 18, but it is not correct. According to PEMDAS rule, PEMDAS, at first we have to work parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division are same priority. For this we have to work left to right. Therefore here 5 minus 2 multiply 5 minus 2 gives us 3 times this 2. Here this 5 minus 2 times 3 gives us 6 times this 2. Here 5 minus 6 times 2 gives us 12. 5 minus 12 gives us minus 7. This is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.